So through those 10 iterations, producing 16,000 cups, we were able to increase the lettuce yield by about 30% and decrease the growing time to get to that stage by about 25%. So their lettuce now is growing healthier, more robust by 30%, and it's 25% faster. And the only way we were able to do that is to leverage additive manufacturing to iterate through those design steps very, very rapidly. And traditionally what you would do is you would buy a mold, you'd come up with a base design, you would buy a mold, and then you would put it into production. And then that's the end of the story. But with this particular project, the ability for us to continue to refine and optimize that design and put it into full production in the field is what allowed us to get to this highly optimized state where we're allowing our client to grow lettuce in a much, much faster and higher yield state.